How to live better with practices to be more valued, Stoicism. Welcome to Stoic Master of Life channel. Today, we're diving into the timeless wisdom of Stoicism and exploring how you can live a better, more valued life by incorporating its practices into your daily routine. If you're looking to find peace, purpose, and resilience, stick around because this video is for you. Imagine waking up each morning with a sense of calm and purpose, knowing that no matter what happens throughout the day, you have the tools to handle it with grace and wisdom. This is the power of Stoicism, an ancient philosophy that has guided the lives of great thinkers and leaders for centuries. As a student struggling with anxiety or a professional facing daily stress, Stoic practices can transform how you perceive and respond to life's challenges. Stay with us as we delve into the timeless principles of Stoicism and uncover practical ways to apply them to your everyday life, helping you live better and be more valued. Introduction to Stoicism. To make a long story short, Stoicism is not just an ancient philosophy, it's a practical guide to living a better life. Originating in Greece around 300 BCE, Stoicism was founded by Zeno of Citium and later developed by prominent philosophers like Epictetus, Seneca, and Marcus Aurelius. These thinkers believed that by mastering our minds and emotions, we can achieve true happiness and resilience. Imagine facing a stressful situation with complete calm and clarity, understanding that you have control over your reactions, if not the events themselves. This fundamental idea lies at the heart of Stoic philosophy, which teaches us to differentiate between what we can control and what we cannot. By focusing only on what is within our power, we can find peace and contentment regardless of external circumstances. Origins of Stoicism. To better appreciate Stoicism, let's take a quick journey back in time. Zeno of Citium, a merchant who lost his fortune in a shipwreck, found solace in philosophy and founded the Stoic school in Athens. He taught in the Stoa Poikile, or painted porch, which gave the philosophy its name. Zeno's teachings emphasized rationality and virtue as the paths to a good life. Epictetus, born a slave, became one of Stoicism's most influential teachers. Despite his challenging circumstances, he taught that true freedom comes from within, not from external conditions. Seneca, a Roman statesman, applied Stoic principles to his political career and personal life, emphasizing the importance of inner tranquility and ethical living. Marcus Aurelius, the Roman emperor, embodied Stoicism in his meditations, offering profound reflections on duty, leadership, and personal integrity. Core principles of Stoicism. To make a long story short, Stoicism revolves around three core principles: the dichotomy of control, virtue as the highest good, and living according to nature. The dichotomy of control teaches us to focus on what we can control, our thoughts, actions, and reactions, while accepting what we cannot. This mindset reduces anxiety and helps us respond to challenges with equanimity. Virtue, in Stoicism, is the highest good. It encompasses wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. By cultivating these virtues, we align ourselves with our true nature and achieve lasting fulfillment. Living according to nature means recognizing and embracing our role in the larger scheme of life. It encourages us to act in harmony with our environment and society, fulfilling our responsibilities with integrity and compassion. Practical applications of Stoicism. Now, let's talk about how to apply these principles in daily life. One powerful Stoic practice is journaling. By reflecting on your thoughts and actions each day, you gain clarity and self-awareness. Start your morning with a gratitude journal, listing things you're thankful for, and end your day by evaluating your actions and identifying areas for improvement. Mindfulness and meditation are also central to Stoic practice. Spend a few minutes each day in quiet reflection, focusing on your breath and letting go of distractions. This helps you stay grounded and present, enhancing your ability to respond to life's challenges with calmness and clarity. Stoicism and emotional resilience. To make a long story short, Stoicism equips us with tools to build emotional resilience. By understanding that our emotions are influenced by our perceptions, we can learn to reframe negative thoughts and maintain inner peace. When facing adversity, remind yourself of the dichotomy of control. Focus on what you can do to improve the situation, and accept what you cannot change. This shift in perspective helps you stay resilient and resourceful, even in difficult times. Stoicism and decision-making. Making decisions can be challenging, but Stoicism offers valuable guidance. By emphasizing rational thinking and aligning your choices with your values, you can make decisions with confidence and clarity. Ask yourself, is this in line with my principles? And, will this contribute to my long-term well-being? These questions help you stay true to your values and make wise decisions. Stoicism and relationships. To make a long story short, Stoicism teaches us to treat others with kindness and respect. By practicing empathy and understanding, we can build stronger, more meaningful connections. When conflicts arise, approach them with a calm and rational mindset, seeking solutions rather than escalating tensions. This fosters harmony and mutual respect in your relationships. Stoicism in the workplace. In the professional realm, Stoicism can enhance your ethics, productivity, and leadership. By maintaining focus and prioritizing your tasks, you can achieve greater efficiency and success. Treat your colleagues with fairness and respect, and lead by example. Stoic principles can help you navigate workplace challenges with integrity and resilience. Stoicism and minimalism. Stoicism encourages us to simplify our lives and reduce material desires. By focusing on what truly matters, we can find contentment and avoid the pitfalls of consumerism. Embrace minimalism by decluttering your environment and prioritizing experiences over possessions. This not only enhances your well-being but also aligns with the Stoic value of living according to nature. Stoicism and health. Physical and mental well-being are integral to Stoic practice. Maintain a balanced lifestyle by incorporating regular exercise, healthy eating, and mindfulness into your routine. Prioritize self-care and take proactive steps to manage stress and maintain your health. This holistic approach ensures you have the strength and resilience to face life's challenges. Stoicism and financial management. To make a long story short, Stoicism teaches us to be frugal and wise with our finances. Practice mindful spending, prioritize saving, and make informed investments. By managing your resources effectively, you can achieve financial independence and reduce the stress associated with money. Stoicism and time management. Time is our most valuable resource, and Stoicism emphasizes the importance of using it wisely. Prioritize your tasks, eliminate distractions, and focus on what truly matters. By valuing your time and using it effectively, you can achieve your goals and live a more fulfilling life. Stoicism and personal growth. To make a long story short, Stoicism encourages continuous self-improvement. Embrace lifelong learning, seek feedback, and strive to be the best version of yourself. Learn from your mistakes and set meaningful goals that align with your values. This commitment to personal growth ensures you are always moving forward. Stoicism and happiness. True happiness, according to Stoicism, comes from within. By cultivating gratitude, finding joy in simple pleasures, and maintaining inner peace, you can achieve lasting happiness. Focus on what you have, rather than what you lack, and appreciate the beauty of the present moment. Stoicism and society. To make a long story short, Stoicism teaches us to contribute to our community and fulfill our civic responsibilities. Act with integrity, support social justice, and strive to make a positive impact on the world around you. This not only benefits society but also aligns with the Stoic value of living according to nature. Modern adaptations of Stoicism. Stoic principles are timeless and can be adapted to contemporary life. From mindfulness practices in modern psychology to ethical leadership in business, Stoic teachings continue to influence various fields. Embrace these modern adaptations to enhance your understanding and application of Stoicism. Misconceptions about Stoicism. To make a long story short, Stoicism is often misunderstood. It's not about suppressing emotions or being indifferent. Instead, it teaches us to manage our emotions and respond to life with wisdom and resilience. By clarifying these misconceptions, we can appreciate the true depth and relevance of Stoic philosophy. Famous Stoic quotes and their meanings. Stoic quotes offer profound insights into life and can serve as powerful reminders of Stoic principles. For example, Marcus Aurelius said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." Reflect on such quotes and apply their wisdom to your daily life. Stoicism and technology. To make a long story short, Stoicism can help us manage digital distractions and use technology mindfully. Set boundaries for your screen time, prioritize meaningful interactions, and practice digital detox regularly. This ensures that technology enhances, rather than hinders, your well-being. Stoicism and legacy. Ultimately, Stoicism encourages us to leave a lasting impact and reflect on our life's purpose. Consider what kind of legacy you want to leave behind and strive to inspire future generations with your actions and values. By living according to Stoic principles, you can make a meaningful difference in the world. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on living a better life. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.